Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today we are going to be learning how to do half rotation flip jumps, a half flip. Now these have the exact same entrance as a full rotation flip. What's really cool is if you learn this half rotation flip, you can do it in shows and competitions, and it counts, you get points for it, but you're also really learning and memorizing and refining your entrance so that when you're ready to do full rotation jumps, you already have that entrance down. You just need to work on that snap and that rotation in the jump. So you're kind of getting a little 2-for-1. You're getting your own half flip jump and you're working towards a full rotation flip. Now remember, I'm right-handed. I like to rotate counterclockwise. This even applies to half rotation jumps. If you are left-handed or you like to rotate clockwise, you're just going to want to reverse these directions. I'm going to start with a left forward outside 3-turn. If you haven't learned your 3 turns yet, you're going to want to do that. I'll post my outside 3-turn video up above and in the description below so you can work on that turn. But we're going to start with the left forward outside edge. That means I'm on my left foot, gliding forward on my outside edge. Okay? Now when you're doing a 3-turn going into a jump, you don't want it really curvy. You actually kind of want to stretch it out and make it a little bit flatter and longer. If it's really curvy, your jump's going to get all wild and whipped, and we don't want that. So I'm going to use this line, and I'm going to try to keep my 3-turn really close to the line. So 3-turn, you can see that I'm really still tracking on that line. I'm going to start with my right hand in front and the left hand in back, just like normal. And when I'm done with the 3-turn, I'm going to really reach back with that right hand and that right foot. All right, so now we are in this stretched out running man kind of position. Left hand really stretched out in front, right hand in back. And we're going to try to keep our upper body really strong. And we're going to tap straight behind us. All right, so you should be slightly on your left inside edge, and with that foot tapping directly behind. Don't tap with your foot turned out. You don't have as much traction with your toe pick sideways, so tap straight down with that toe pick so you get a nice bit of grip. From that tap position, you're going to take that left foot and slide it back like your legs are scissors that are closing. So you're really reached out, you tap really far behind you. So don't tap close, reach out and tap really far behind you, and then pull your feet together like you're shutting a pair of scissors. So you really want to feel that squeeze between your legs. Once we're doing full rotation jumps, that feeling of squeezing together is really going to help you get some power in this flip jump. Let's do it all together through that scissor action. Nice flat 3-turn to your inside edge, tap and squeeze. We've got that scissor action down now, so we're pulling. Now from here, you're going to rotate towards your left shoulder. It feels a little weird because you're open towards the right, but having your left arm in front is going to let you pull back. In a full rotation, we're going to pull our arms in. Since we're not trying to rotate all the way around, I just want you to pull your arm back in a nice, strong, extended position. So let's try that again. We have our long, extended, flat 3-turn to our inside edge. We tap. We're going to create that scissor action. We're going to push off of our right toe pick. So that's this toe pick in the back. We push off of it. You're going to jump up onto your left toe pick and glide forward on your right inside edge. Tap, up, and glide. It's really, really important that you get a good toe pick, both with your takeoff and your landing. Remember, those toe picks are designed for jumping. They're designed for takeoffs, they're designed for landings. That's why they were invented for your skate, so really use them. Okay, so when you get back, really get a good toe pick, and when you land, you really want to get that toe pick down into the ice strong. If you don't, you're gonna slip, wipe out, maybe hit your head, which we don't want. So make sure on that landing, you get that toe pick really strong before you step down. A quick recap of this jump to this point. So we have our 3-turn nice and long and flat, tap, land on the toe, glide forward on that inside edge. Now let's talk about that landing I just did. Every jump you do is gonna have a nice check out position. This one's just moving forwards instead of backwards. We're still gonna have an elevated, strong torso, strong back, those arms out nice and kind of pressing down, and our leg extended to the corner. It does not go straight back or you will spin, you'll spin out. And it doesn't go out to the side, it always extends to the corner, and our gliding knee is pressed down. So it's just a forward check position instead of a backward check position. 3 turn, tap, and forward check position. All right, now that upper body is just as important as the lower body. We've got the feet down, we're doing a 3 turn, we got strong toe picks, but the upper body needs to stay elevated through jumps. If you lean down or you get low in your upper body when you jump, your jump is not gonna have as much height, it's not gonna be as strong. So we're gonna have that left hand in back, right hand in front, really lift through the torso. And when you jump, I want you to think about lifting your rib cage up, okay? So we tap, and that rib cage goes up as we jump. So really keep a lot of strength and stability in the upper body, and it'll make your lower body have an easier time doing its job. Once you get the basic mechanics of this jump down, you want to give it a really nice timing. All jumps kind of have a rhythm to them, all right? Making your body learn that rhythm is going to make the jump consistent, and you want your jumps consistent, right? So think of it like a count of 3, like a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's a waltz count. So we go 1, 2, 3, tap 2, 3, glide 2, 3. All right, so that's the rhythm we want with that flip. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, tap 2, 3, glide 2, 3. Alright skaters, I hope you enjoyed that video. Half flips are such a great jump on their own, and as I mentioned before, a good foundation for learning your whole rotation jump in the future. If you enjoyed this, then please do give us that thumbs up, and of course I look forward to reading all your comments in this section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the notification bell down below so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.